Morning, morning, morning. Andy's Rebuilds here. It's Easter Sunday and day 3 of Project Garage. So last bit going up today, or last bit of the materials I've got anyway. But that will mean I've got one side and whole back of the garage all boarded up and ready to start getting that mist coat on and painted and finishing that element of it before I then move on to the final sidewall. But I'll show you where I've got to so far and the bit that I'm going to tackle today. But I've got to move quite a lot of stuff before I can even start, so let's crack on. So after the last 2 days, this is where I've got to. I'd already got these what's done and that was all in, but this weekend I've managed to get that wall all plasterboarded and that one, and fitted all the Ryobi tool and shadow foam elements up. The board with all of the smaller Ryobi tools in. There's a box I made up and then a couple of shadow foam inserts. First time I've used shadow foam, it's really easy to use, great to cut, and it just makes it really easy to put your tools somewhere where you can actually use them. So today's task is to tackle this one. But the problem with doing that means I've got to get all of that lot off of there, and to get to it I've also got to get all of that one out of there. So the Christmas tree's got to come down, paddle boards and everything else all got to come out, and then that will give me the room to work in there, and that'll be everything that I want to get done for this weekend. And then when we get the next decent set of weather, then I'll just have that section and that section and that section to do, and then I can start actually putting stuff away so that it's nice and tidy and easy to use. So let's get on with it.